Hello all, welcome to Paksiddhi Cookery. Today we'll see how lactose-free almond milk can be prepared at home very easily. This is a very nutritious drink for all age groups. People who have lactose intolerance can have this milk as a substitute to the normal milk without any second thought. We'll look into the procedure now. Here I've taken 1 cup of almonds. This is 100 grams quantity. I'm transferring these almonds into a bigger vessel. We have to soak these in almonds for 8 to 10 hours in sufficient water. Usually we soak this for 8 to 10 hours. But if we want a very creamy texture of the milk, we can soak them for up to 24 hours. But for the initial 10 hours, let us soak these outside, and the remaining hours we have to keep them in the fridge. See, I'm soaking this for 10 hours. After 10 hours, the almonds are nicely bloated. So we have to take out the water. We have to filter the water from the almonds using a colander, and I'm just rinsing the almonds once. Let us discard this water. We'll use fresh water. Transfer these almonds into a mixer jar. For 1 cup of almonds, I'm adding 2 cups of water to have thick almond milk. If you want thin texture of the milk, you can add 3 cups or 4 cups as you wish. Grind them till a smooth paste. Now take a vessel, place a colander on the vessel. We have to filter the pulp from the milk. So I'm using a soft cotton cloth. I placed it on the colander and I've just poured the mixture onto the cloth. Just squeeze it and separate the milk. It's very easy. See, the unsweetened almond milk is ready for us now. Seal this milk in a bottle, store it in the fridge, and we can use it up to 2 days. But if we add just a pinch of salt in this milk, the lifespan of this milk increases by 2 more days. So we can store this milk for up to 4 days in the fridge. The pulp which we have filtered, see, this need not be discarded. We can use this as well in many desserts. You can directly put it in the freezer, freeze it, and use it for 2 months, up to 2 months, or otherwise dry it in the oven and store it in the freezer. And this milk, as it is unsweetened, we can add honey or maple syrup and we can sweeten it and drink. Otherwise, we can make many sweet dishes wherein we can use this as a substitute for normal milk. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do come back to Paksiddhi Cookery for more interesting recipes.